Welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is another zucchini day. We're gonna zucchini this thing to death. But we're running, it's heading toward July. They're gonna start petering out here real soon, so we're gonna make the most of it while we got it. And I have had them, I've got them. And today is one more zucchini recipe. To be exact, it's a zucchini and sausage casserole. Makes it quick, easy, inexpensive, and really, really good. All you're gonna need is a pound of sausage, a couple of eggs, some saltine crackers, some cheese of your choice. I'm using white cheddar, but you can use regular sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, doesn't matter. Some water, some thyme, some pepper, 4 or 5 zucchini about this size, and an onion. Okay, and here's 4 of them already cut up, ready to go, so that you only have to watch me cut one. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this zucchini. Let's make it easy. Into like 1-inch squares, because we're gonna need to boil it before we make that casserole. So that's all we're gonna do right there. Just make little, just so it'll boil. That's it. In the pot it goes. Now we're going to pour water, just enough to cover, which was almost a half a gallon. We're going to get that eye on high. On the high. We're going to let that come up to a boil. Get that lid on there. And we're going to let it come up to a boil and boil maybe 5 minutes or so. You just want them tender. It is a casserole, and we are going to put it in the oven and it'll finish cooking. So we just want them tender. Now we're going to start cooking those sausage and onions. For that one, we're going to use a medium heat. And a heavy skillet. Down it goes. Now we're just gonna get that broken up a little bit and just keep breaking it up till we get it all apart. Okay, now while that sausage is browning, we're gonna cut up with that 1 medium-sized onion. And we're gonna cut those pretty fine. Just good dice. First half going in. Break up that sausage a little more. It's called multitasking. Okay, let's the other half of that onion. Another half, and we're going to continue to break up that sausage. We need half a teaspoon of thyme. We're going to add that. And a half a teaspoon of pepper. Hey, y'all, I forgot. you need salt. I can't cook without salt. I don't know what I was thinking. We need a half a teaspoon of salt. I know y'all were thinking that too. Where is the salt? Here we go. Now we got salt. Okay, now we're gonna get that good go around. Get that salt, pepper, and thyme all in there. Okay, my sausage is done. My onions are about half done. So we're gonna turn that off now and let it cool down a little bit. Went ahead and got my zucchini all nice and drained. Got it cooled down. I waited about 15 minutes or so that it's easy to handle. And we're just gonna dump it in this nice deep bowl. Now my sausage and onions are nice and cool. We're just gonna drop those in the bowl too. Now with 2 eggs, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop them over here first. Make sure that I don't have any shells, and I'll drop it. Do the same thing again. See, I had one. Got it. Okay, now, got eggs in there. And now I'm just gonna crush those crackers right there in the pan. Apple. These were 2 packs. Somehow I opened a pack when I already had a pack open. We don't waste nothing, so we're just gonna go right ahead and use it. They were in the fridge. And there we are. Now we're gonna take half that cheese. Drop that in there. Just half. And now we're going to give that a good mix. And it is hot. It is still hot. Yep, it's still hot, but it'll work. All you want to do is just get that all combined. And now it's ready to go in the casserole dish. Now I'm just going to spray. This is not absolutely necessary, but I hate sticking. So there we go. And then we'll just take that and drop it all into that casserole dish. Then we're going to flatten it out in there. If y'all don't like playing with your food, you don't have to play with your food. You can use a spoon, but it's okay with me. I'm the only one eating it. And there it is, ready to go in the oven. I just put that half a cup of cheese on there. I don't know if we got that recorded or not because the phone rang. And now we're going to get it in the oven. And that is 350 degrees for 1 hour. There is our casserole. Awesomeness. I let it get a little brown. That's okay. Randy likes it crispy.
I'm just going to be honest with you guys. This is a first for us on the zucchini. We've had so much of it. She's just trying to figure out what she can do with it. I mean, every time she makes something with it, it tastes different.
Yeah, it's always good though.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's always been good. Oh, yes. That is good. Yes, I am going to enjoy this.
All right.
It's going to be really good.
All right.
Okay. We're off and running.
See you next time.
Y'all have a good one.
Like,
Yum,
subscribe.
yum, yum, yum.
Like, subscribe, and share.